Kotagiri Medical Fellowship, or KMF, is a small mission hospital in the hilly town of Kotagiri in the Nilgiris district of Tamil Nadu, South India. The hospital was started by a group of missionaries, all women, from England, America and Denmark. Most prominent among them was Dr. Pauline Jeffrey from the US, who was an ophthalmologist by training and came to Kotagiri for health reasons and felt a calling to serve the needy in this area here. She was later joined by Dr. Lydia Herlufsen, who was from Denmark, and these two pioneering ladies started this work. In the beginning, they didn't have a place to start the hospital, so the only place that was available was an abandoned cowshed. So this place was scrubbed clean and made into a one-bed dispensary. The hospital grew over the last 80 years and currently it's a modern facility, and today it is one of the mission hospital revival projects of Christian Medical College Vellore, and with the help of CMC Vellore we are trying to revive this hospital. One of the first things that will strike you when you come to Kotagiri and to KMF is the sheer natural beauty of this place. The rolling hills and the mountains are really pretty. For example, this is a view from the operation theatre and from the outpatient department. At present we have 9 full-time doctors and a few visiting consultants. We have regular outpatient OPDs and inpatient services. These are some pictures of the outpatient department and the pharmacy, and some images of the inpatient services, the rounds that happen as usual every day. We start every day with prayer in the chapel, followed by sometimes a meeting among the doctors and then rounds in the inpatient department. There is a 3-bedded ICU where very sick patients are taken care of, and a fairly well-equipped operating theatre where general surgical and orthopedic and gynae and obstetric surgeries are performed. In Kotagiri we see all kinds of medical and surgical cases. This includes emergencies like myocardial infarctions, stroke, injuries of all kinds, fractures, eye emergencies, etc. Chronic illnesses are also very common. Things like diabetes, hypertension, heart failure, renal failure. There are some illnesses which are very unique to this place. You might have noticed that Kotagiri has a lot of tea gardens all around, and tea pickers stand for a long periods of time. So varicose veins and complications of varicose veins are quite common here because of the tea industry. The work of the hospital is important because the nearest reliable center for medical care is about 2.5 to 3 hours away in Coimbatore, and especially patients with emergencies like myocardial infarction, stroke and heart failure, they usually fail to reach these centers in time for the treatment that they require. This is particularly important for people who cannot afford much because travel is difficult and time consuming for them. Regular academic sessions are also held with CMEs and training sessions for nurses and other staff. And yes, some consultations are outside against the backdrop of the mountains and the skies. There is a separate eye department where eye patients are regularly seen, and a separate eye theatre where surgeries, especially cataract surgeries and pterygium surgeries, are being done. We have a fairly well-equipped laboratory service with some really good machines which were given recently to us. KMF also benefits from people from CMC Vellore, from various specialties who come and provide their expertise in 1 or 2 day camps in Kotagiri. The work of KMF is not restricted to the hospital building alone. We have started a palliative care program where we go out and reach out to patients who cannot come to the hospital. Also, regular camps are held in the surrounding villages. These are some images of camps in a faraway place. After the onset of COVID and the lockdowns, we have stopped the camps temporarily for now. It's not all work here in Kotagiri. we make it a point to gather regularly for fellowship with a dinner thrown in once in a while. It's a time for us to come together as a family together. And we also organize marriage seminars and sessions for the children of the staff in the campus. Development of the family is again another important aspect of Kotagiri, and we make sure that the people, the staff have good family time while they are in KMF. And apart from the doctors, we have students visiting KMF, both from the colleges nearby, from CMC Vellore and other places, for short periods of time, for social work and things like that. And of course, if you're interested in wildlife, there is wildlife to see every day over here. I will hand over the next few minutes to Kamalakar and Jane, who joined us a few years back, who will tell us about their story in Kotagiri so far.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jane Celestial Joy, ophthalmologist.
I am Dr. Kamalakar, orthopedic surgeon. We had a burden of working in mission hospital since our MBBS days individually. After finishing our post-graduation, we are doing our senior residency in Andhra, and we are asking God to guide us regarding our future. Then we got an opportunity to attend APMFA State Conference during the month of June 2018. Missionary doctors' experiences, their testimony encouraged us a lot and in a way prepared us for the mission journey.
In the same conference, we met Mr. Sam David from Missions Department, CMC Vellore, who shared with us the need for doctors in KMF Hospital, Kotagiri. So we made our first visit to this place in August 2018, and we were seeking God's direction. Our major challenges were that our parents wanted us to stay close by and work in a corporate or a government hospital, or at least in a nearby mission hospital. And the other thing was, we both were young surgeons and we had to manage cases and perform surgeries alone without any seniors' guidance. We were in a confusion initially, but we surrendered ourselves to God's will, and God clearly revealed His will to us and answered all our doubts and questions through His word. Acts 9:15 and Acts 23:11 were our promises for KMF year.
Obedience to His call, our journey began from November 2018. Initially our OPDs were less, but gradually they raised up. And I started reducing some dislocations, reducing some fractures, doing minor procedures on a daycare basis. Learning Tamil was a bit tough in the initial days, but by the help of our staff, we were able to learn some working Tamil. We had the opportunity to go to CMC Vellore and CFH Odanchayatram for our clinical and surgical exposure. Answer to our prayers, God enabled us to purchase a new SIA machine last year, and since then we were able to do some major procedures like nailing and plating. And God is enabling me to manage some non-orthopedic injuries and assist some general surgical and obstetric cases. Working in a mission hospital helps you to depend on God rather than depending on you.
KMF Hospital, founded by Dr. Pauline Jeffrey, an ophthalmologist from US, is known for its eye services in all of Nilgiris, and that laid a huge responsibility on my shoulders. But my grace is sufficient for thee was the promise which uplifted me and helped me to carry on the work forward. I still remember the first day when I did my cataract surgery in KMF. I was so scared, and my inadequacy turned into dependency on God. And on the first post-operative day, the patient had perfect 6x6 vision by God's grace. And since then, we have been doing many cataract, pterygium and other eye surgeries, and God has never disappointed us, and He's always been faithful. We are also able to do iridotomies, capsulotomies, and also diagnose glaucomas with the help of the Fields machine available here, and as well treat them. I also had the privilege of being trained under Dr. Thomas Kuriakos for my phaco surgery training. Daily morning chapel services and our weekly doctors' gatherings were in a way encouraged us and helped us in our spiritual growth. From our 2 years of experience of working in a mission hospital, what we realized was that it seems hard at times, but when God calls us, He also enables us. Taking a step of faith in obedience to His call is all that we need to do, and God will take care of the rest.
So what does KMF stand for? What is our mission? Our mission is to be a community that lives in fellowship, to fulfill the mandate of the Lord Jesus Christ, to heal the sick, to serve with love and compassion, and influence transformation of the community in the Nilgiris through healing, training, and promotion of health and wholeness. We see ourselves and aspire to be a city on a hill which acts as a witness to the people around. As students, you are most welcome to visit us. You can come simply to visit and see the place, or you could join us as a volunteer, or perhaps even consider short-term or long-term work as the Lord leads you. The possibilities are endless. Whether you are a medical student, nursing student, allied health, or a junior doctor, or even a consultant. Kotagiri is about 2 hours from Coimbatore city, and you can come by train to Mettupalayam and then by road to KMF. And these are the ways in which you can contact us by phone or email or some other way that you are comfortable with. God bless you.